How to read a bio on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To read a bio on Facebook Marketplace, you can launch a Facebook application. Then head over to the Marketplace icon. So right over here, sometimes when you are dealing with a seller, you might be very happy with the service, or you might find some of the problem regarding your services. In that case, you definitely would like to react or read a buyer. However, since you can see that there is no such option as rating a buyer on Facebook Marketplace, sadly, as of now, you won't be able to rate a buyer on Facebook Marketplace. However, you can provide feedback to your seller in a few ways, such as sending the seller a message. At the top, you will see this option, Send Seller a Message. You can type in a feedback and click on the send button. If the seller has a public Facebook page or group, you might be able to leave a review there as well. If not, you can also report a problem or report the page. So in that case, you'll be able to rate a buyer on Facebook Marketplace indirectly. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.